Seneca, the venerable Stoic philosopher, once delved into the strengthening power of difficulties, akin to labor sculpting the body. In the spirit of Stoicism, let us explore 10 invaluable Stoic lessons, drawing inspiration from Seneca's teachings. Before we commence, consider expressing your support by giving this exploration a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do so now and click the notification bell for future Stoic insights. Lesson 1. Embracing your inner abyss. Stoic. Lesson. Number 1 beckons us to confront our eternal companion, the dark side of our personality. Much like a bullfight, wrestling with this shadow becomes a courageous dance. Accept that the dark side is an inherent part of every human being, a constant presence demanding acknowledgement. Lesson 2. The bullfight within. In Stoic lesson number 2, we explore the metaphorical bullfight within ourselves. Acknowledge the challenges of grappling with your darker side, drawing parallels to the intricate dance between matador and bull. Recognize that facing your inner demons is not only courageous but essential for personal growth. Lesson 3. Confronting the embarrassment. Within Stoic lesson number 3, sheds light on the boldness of evil people who embrace their darker side without reservation. This unapologetic acceptance transforms their lives into a peculiar theater of absurdity. Acknowledge that confronting your shadows without shame is a path to authenticity and self-awareness. Lesson 4. Universality of the dark side. Stoic lesson. Number 4 emphasizes the universality of the dark side present in every human being. Acceptance of this inherent duality is the first step towards understanding and integrating the complexity of your own personality. Lesson 5. Discovering good in calmness. Stoic lesson. Number 5 invites you to discover the good within the bad through calm and passive introspection. In moments of tranquility, observe the nuances of your dark side without judgment. Understanding its contours allows you to navigate your internal landscape with wisdom. Lesson 6. Empowering stillness. Stoic. Lesson number 6 echoes the call to feel the power. Harness the strength that comes from stillness and self-awareness. In the calm of self-reflection, you find the power to acknowledge and manage your dark side effectively. Lesson 7. The dichotomy within Stoic. Lesson number 7 acknowledges the dichotomy within each of us, both hell and heaven coexisting. Embrace the complexity of your nature, recognizing that growth and wisdom emerge from navigating the interplay of light and shadow within. Lesson 8. Critique as catalyst in Stoic. Lesson number 8, we explore criticism as a mirror to self-discovery. Critique becomes the lens through which you can truly see yourself, offering a compelling reason to evolve and change for the better. Lesson 9. The dual faces of man. Stoic. Lesson number 9 likens man to a coin, possessing two sides, heads and tails. The predominant side is revealed by the frequency of its falls. Reflect on your actions and tendencies to unveil your main side, urging self-awareness and introspection. Lesson 10. The folly of wisdom. Stoic lesson. Number 10 concludes with the paradox that a fool, upon learning the truth, sees his strengths, while an intelligent person discerns his weaknesses. Embrace the wisdom of acknowledging both strengths and weaknesses, fostering humility and continuous self-improvement. As we conclude this exploration of Stoic lessons, let these insights be your daily guide, shaping your journey towards self-discovery and growth. Remember, the interplay between light and shadow within defines the contours of your existence. Commit to the path of self-awareness, for, as Seneca wisely noted, it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Until next time, may the wisdom of Stoicism illuminate your path.